Welcome to Roll for Engagement, the roll series for teachers and students to design fun and exciting work with the roll of a dice. Now, since this is the first time that I'm actually showing this, I'm going to actually explain what the sheets look like. All right, so the first thing we do is roll for our party leader. So this is going to determine who actually rolls for the assignment. So whether it's the teacher, the student, group means that we're going to pass the dice around the class, or you can actually invite a colleague, a principal, someone. So this brings the engagement right away because we are randomly determining who's going to randomly determine the assignment. Next, we roll to find out your team. Are you going to be going solo or group? And then if you roll group, are you going to be groups of 2 or 3 or 4? All right, so the next phase is roll for subject with 2 T's, and I obviously have to fix this sheet. Whoops. But if you are a specialist teacher and only teach kind of 1 subject or 2 subjects, you can actually skip this phase entirely. But if you're a generalist teacher and you teach many different subjects to a class, you can actually use this to pick what subject the assignment is going to be about. In the end, you are picking a subject from the list, a roller's choice of the subject, or wild if you have an extra course such as, an option, a technology, something that you teach outside of the main core subjects taught in school. Next is phase 4, which is roll for the assignment. So this is the actual type of assignment that you're doing. Here are just 10 options I've selected. You can create various sheets, and I am in the process of doing it, of having less or more options for the assignment. So again, more variety, less variety, depending on the grade you teach. Next, we are rolling for delivery methods. So once the project's done, how do you actually present it? So we making videos, sketches, product pitches, the list goes on. And again, you can be as creative as you want. So you can add more options to the sheets, or you can take options away. Again, depending on the class you teach, and there are more of these things coming out. Next, we have another optional role, but if you want to add some challenge to your students, you can actually give them a theme in which they have to fit their assignment into that, whether it be by language, style, look, feel,